Hello, it's Brick Bros UK, and like us, you've probably already seen or heard the news that Elon Musk's Falcon Heavy rocket launch has been a success, which is a great milestone for space exploration. But from a LEGO fan's perspective, we were wondering, with all the success of the LEGO Ideas NASA sets like the Apollo, Saturn V and Women of NASA, if LEGO might capitalise on this new space era by blasting out some SpaceX rocket sets, because the launch was the second biggest live stream on YouTube ever. Now, we don't expect anything to happen anytime soon, but the truth is space sells and SpaceX is not going anywhere soon, except up and down a bit with their reusable rockets, as they already have many more launches planned, as well as a mission to Mars on the cards. So we feel with all the publicity, LEGO should definitely consider creating a SpaceX rocket set or two in micro scale like the Saturn V rocket, because the build could have a fun reusable rocket detach feature like the real life rocket. And maybe even a hidden cherry red micro Tesla car inside, so you can open it up to recreate the Tony Stark style publicity stunt they pulled in space, which was super cool, plus a great way to engage younger fans. And that's why we think a SpaceX rocket LEGO set would be perfect for LEGO's growing space themed set range. On a final note then, we hope you've enjoyed our reaction to the Falcon Heavy's launch success, along with our thoughts on a potential SpaceX LEGO set or sets for the future, because we wanted to air our opinions to see what you guys think. So please leave a comment below telling us if you feel like us a SpaceX Falcon Heavy LEGO rocket set would be a great way for LEGO to go to complement the current NASA range and tap into the hype, or whether you think it's not worth it, as we'd love to know your opinions. Hope you enjoyed a Brick Bros UK LEGO news update, and don't forget to check our channel for the latest LEGO news and like, comment and subscribe to Brick Bros UK.